Okay. Up next is the Serendipity. Now you saw this fly used with great effectiveness in the Deschutes show. And the Serendipity is a kind of a midge pupa pattern, kind of a hatching midge. Don't hold me to it, but I believe I once read or heard that Craig Matthews at Blue Ribbon Flies in West Yellowstone was the guy who invented this fly. But I use it now a lot for midge fishing. And he actually ties it with Zelon or an Antron and you twist it and then wrap it on like that. It becomes kind of like a rope. This is just some V-rib here, kind of cheating. But red in color, you can tie it in a lot of different colors. Whatever color the midges are, brown, olives, blacks. This one that we used in that show, the effective color was red. So that's what we got here. You just tie that V-rib all the way forward. This is, again, a really simple and easy pattern to tie and a quick tie. Cut that V-rib off. And you can see it gives you a really good segmented body. That Zelon, though, is actually a cool material because it'll hold air bubbles in there. And again, that's what insects, to give a real alive look to a fish. Now, I've got some olive elk here. You can use a lighter color if you like. And this will be kind of the wing on the fly, maybe the shuck. You don't have to use a lot. I'm not even going to bother to stack it. Just going to put a little on the front there. Actually, I got a little too much. Let's back that off a little. There we go. I just put it right on the front of the fly. Let it stand up a little bit. Put some good hard twist down. Bind it down. And then this elk in the back, I cut that off, and then if you want, you can cut this stuff in the front a little tighter. Gonna stand it up like so. Pretty easy fly, huh? But boy, did we have good luck on it on the Deschutes. Little whip finish. Bingo, I stand that elk out. It may not have been the best elk to use, but I guarantee you that red Serendipity will catch fish.